This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sylvia Icaza. Location, location, location. This refreshingly upgraded spacious 2-bed/2-bath offers a generous split floor plan with 1,083 square feet. Beautifully tiled throughout the main living space to include the kitchen and baths. The kitchen, renovated in 2018, has expanded cabinetry and stone countertops. Both full baths, renovated in 2018, are tastefully tiled with beautiful vanities to include a double sink in the master. New AC installed in 2018, custom water filtration system added in the kitchen. New ceiling fans and an added bonus of Hunter Douglas window treatments throughout the unit. This is an amazing opportunity. This gated community is located on Country Club Drive in the heart of Aventura. Heated swimming pool, gym, library, billiard and club room are available. For more